The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service in the following counties or areas: Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. Ice storm warning in effect. Ice or supercooled liquid droplets could reach up 70 to 90, which could result in significant airframe icing. Extensive power outages is possible. Use towels to seal or cover up window cracks or doors to preserve heating. Have the following supplies such as non-perishable foods, water, medical supplies or first aid kit, portable heating, and a weather radio. Avoid driving on icy conditioned roads as could result a car accident. Please stay tuned to your NOAA weather radio or local radio broadcast for the latest weather information.